Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Sonic Dash for iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, we got everything unlocked. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's super cool. So what you need to do guys is go ahead and go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. They have a bunch of mods for apps and games. So once you're on this site guys, we need to go to the search bar and just type in Sonic Dash, and as you can see it says Sonic Dash mod, so go ahead and press on that and it's going to start to download. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, all right, so before it downloads guys, there's one more step and I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So basically guys, we need to do a quick verification by downloading some apps and completing the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official app store, and this will install the Sonic Dash mod onto our device. So as you can see guys right here, it's going to load and it says Sonic Dash mod installer. Please install 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. Now the problem is there's a lot of people that will download 2 of these apps and they won't read the instructions. So make sure you read them. Like Fetch says install, open, and sign up. TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. Dice Dream says down and install, reach Kingdom level 6. So just press on the app and press tap to install. It's going to take you to the App Store and you just download the app and make sure whatever instructions were there, you complete them. Personally, I did the Family Island, which wasn't showing up just now, but it was when I was doing it, and I had to reach level 10. So make sure you guys go ahead and complete it. This is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if you guys want to get a Sonic Dash 2025 modded version, guys, be sure to try this out because it is super cool. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. It totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, bro.